Hi everyone, today we'll be discussing bank reconciliation. So the definition of a bank reconciliation is the process of comparing the amounts appearing on the bank statement to that of the cash balance in a company's records. There are 3 steps to a bank reconciliation. Number 1, update the bank balance to the actual cash balance. Number 2, update the company's book balance to the actual cash balance. And lastly, adjust the company's book balance to the actual cash balance, that is the journal entries. The purpose of a bank reconciliation is that it limits any theft and it confirms the accuracy of both the bank's and the company's cash records. So let's put all this accounting jargon to the real test. Here we have a scenario, Hubby Hams Co. with an ending balance on 30th of September, a bank statement of $15,000 versus a company's record of $14,000. But never fear, it's time to prepare a bank reconciliation. So the details that need to be considered is a deposit in transit of $1,000, an outstanding check of $1,500, a notes receivable of $3,000, and interest earned of $100. There's also a charge of $50 and a debit memo of $2,480. There's a $250 customer check which was returned for non-sufficient funds. And then lastly, an amount of $570 was erroneously recorded in Hubby Hams Co. records at $750. So the difference there is $180. This is just a general layout of a bank reconciliation. And here we go to step 1, which is updating the bank balance to the actual cash balance. So here we can see the cash balance from the bank statement. That's a starting amount of $15,000. There's an addition there, a subtraction, and the final amount of $14,500. The same goes for step 2, but it's just related to the company. So once again, starting amount of $14,000, additions, subtractions, our final adjusted cash balance of $14,500. And lo and behold, that's the same as the bank. This is just how it should look with an adjusted reconciled account. And then the last step is recording the journal entries. So here we have the transaction number, the date, the description of the transaction with a debit and a credit. So just remember, if they don't reconcile to the same amount, you've probably done something wrong. Otherwise, all good for the month of September.